Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see how we can use the external USB hard drive on PS5. So let's start with the video without any delay. So first of all we will see what are the requirements of USB extended storage on PS5. So first of all, super speed USB 5 Gbps or later is required. Secondly, the hard drive of minimum 250 GB and maximum 8 TB of capacity is required. Also, not all the devices are guaranteed to work with the PS5 console, and also you can't connect the hard drive through a USB hub, and also you can connect multiple USB drives to your console, but you can use only one at a time. Now secondly, you have to format a USB drive as USB extended storage, and for that first of all connect your USB hard drive to a USB port and then go to settings, go to storage and select USB extended storage, and then select format as USB extended storage. Now if the USB drive isn't disconnected properly, then there may be a data loss, corruption or damage to your console or USB drive. To overcome from this problem, safely remove the USB extended storage, and for that go to settings, go to storage and then select USB extended storage and select the option of safely remove from PS5, and then disconnect the USB extended storage from your PS5 console. So these were the ways by which you can easily use your external USB storage to your PS5 console. Hope it helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.